Systeme-io-connection. Maximizing your earnings with systeme-io's connections feature. Are you looking to increase your online income through affiliate marketing or by selling your own digital products? If so, then you may be interested in systeme-io's connections feature. This powerful tool allows you to easily create and manage affiliate partnerships, as well as track your sales and commissions. So, what exactly is the connections feature and how can it help you earn more money? In this article, we'll take a closer look at this handy feature and explore some of the ways it can benefit your business. First, let's define what we mean by connections. In the context of systeme-io, connections refer to the relationships you have with other businesses or individuals that you work with to promote products or services. These can include affiliate partners, joint venture partners, or anyone else you collaborate with to drive sales. With the connections feature, you can easily manage these relationships and keep track of your sales and commissions. This can be especially useful if you have a large number of connections and need a way to organize and streamline your workflow. One of the key benefits of the connections feature is that it allows you to track your sales and commissions in real time. This means you can see exactly how much you're earning from each connection, as well as which products or services are driving the most sales. This can be incredibly valuable information when it comes to identifying which partnerships are most valuable and where to focus your efforts. In addition to tracking sales and commissions, the connections feature also offers a number of other useful features. For example, you can use it to send personalized emails to your connections, create customizable landing pages, and even set up automated follow-up sequences. This can help you build stronger relationships with your connections and ultimately drive more sales. Overall, the connections feature is a powerful tool that can help you maximize your earnings and streamline your affiliate marketing efforts. If you're looking to increase your online income, it's definitely worth checking out. So, why wait? Start leveraging the power of systeme-io's connections feature today and start seeing results.